Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the last puzzle. A jigsaw Sudoku. In the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, March the 13th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles in this additional: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So the last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number. This will be number 8187. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a lot, 16. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16, double those numbers. Alright, but it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Here we have a dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be 1, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Here another dual box. The 1 is already given, so this box should be a 2. More dual boxes? No. How about triple boxes? Do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Here we have a triple box. The 3 is already given, so those 2 boxes should be the 1 or a 2. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Alright. Only one triple box. How about quadruple boxes? Quadruple boxes. I see here one quadruple box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. All right. My next strategy is now to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes. Let me check. No, only one shape. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, oh wait, so in this case it's a 2 here. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, the T shape. Do we have more T shapes? Yeah. Here another T shape. So this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1 there. Alright, the T shape. Then the following shape, how about this kind of shape? Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 4 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Well, I cannot place the 3 there. If you place the 3 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3, but we already have a 3 there. So it should be a 4, this box, and that box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. Alright. Then, let me see. Then these two boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area. One was 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those. Alright. Then. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5 is connected with that box. Should be so 3 and a 5. Alright. Then. These 2 boxes can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4. And that box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. Wait. These 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. And this box is connected with that box, should be so 4 and a 3. But we already have a 4 there, so this box can't be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 3. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Here also 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Well, this box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. So we have 2 boxes left for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be... Oh, wait. We have a... I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra box should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here. Oh, wait. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for 1 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 5. Because it can be 1. Can be 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then, let me see. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, come on. This box can be 1. That box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. But also that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Is connected with that box, so 3 and 4. Alright. Let me go up. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And I've eliminated here the 4. So the 4 goes there. Alright. Then... let me see. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be there. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 1. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 3. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. That means this is 4 or a 5. Okay. Come on. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well. 1, 2, 5. This box, well, I need to wait here. I need to wait. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Well, this box can be a 1. Can be 2. Can be 3 or a 4. We have a double 3 there, double 4 there. So 1 digit left should be the 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes in there. Is connected with that box, should be all 5. Then I think. Wait. 1, 2. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 4 there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 is supposed to be here, and the 3 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. 2 numbers left in the T-shape area for numbers 1 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for 3 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Alright, we go up. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Interesting. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Then these two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Alright. This box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Need a 4, need a 5. Oh, I need to wait here. I think this box should be a 4. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 4. Well, this box can be 4, that box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Mark, and 2 numbers left in this T-shape area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in at 12 minutes. Well, 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. It should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 30 minutes. Definitely a 0 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye bye for now.